Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen concentrator at home. First, ensure your concentrator is placed in a well-ventilated spot, at least 6 to 12 inches from walls and furniture, allowing for proper airflow. If prescribed, fill your humidifier bottle with distilled water to the fill line, then securely attach it to the oxygen outlet. Finally, connect your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the humidifier bottle's outlet or directly to the concentrator, ensuring a snug fit for effective oxygen delivery. To begin, plug your concentrator directly into a grounded wall outlet, never using an extension cord. Power on the unit and let it warm up for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to reach the correct oxygen concentration. Next, carefully adjust the flow rate knob to the exact liters per minute your doctor prescribed. Remember, this setting is crucial for your therapy. Lastly, always check your oxygen tubing for any kinks or blockages that could restrict the flow of oxygen. Safety is paramount when using your oxygen concentrator. Always keep the device at least 10 feet away from any open flames, sparks, or heat sources like stoves or grills. It is absolutely critical that no one smokes near the concentrator. Also, avoid using aerosol sprays or oil-based products nearby, as they can be flammable. Regularly monitor your oxygen saturation levels, as recommended by your doctor, to ensure you are receiving adequate oxygen therapy. Proper maintenance ensures your concentrator works efficiently. Clean the gross particle filter weekly using mild soap and warm water, allowing it to air dry fully before reinserting. Replace your nasal cannula or mask every 2 to 4 weeks, or sooner if it appears damaged or after an illness. Daily, check your humidifier bottle's water level, refilling with distilled water, and clean it every 3 days. Finally, wipe down the concentrator's exterior weekly with a damp cloth and mild detergent to keep it free of dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.